Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Come with me to check into the most beautiful hotel I've ever stayed in my life. This is Round Hill Hotel and Villas in Montego Bay, Jamaica. The estate is so big that you have to check in at the front gate and then you drive down this huge driveway all the way to the hotel, which is right down there in the center. And now let's check out the room. I love how the bed has a mosquito net because as you can see, the windows are open. Jamaica is mosquito heaven. I have complimentary Jamaican coffee to the right and then into the amazing bathroom. Y'all, this is the best tub I've ever been in my life, and they gave you free soaking salts. As you can see, the shower is huge as well. They provided robes and of course the little slippers. And then they have two little beds to the right and to the left if you want to look out at this view. Now this view is just to die for. Can you imagine waking up to this every morning? That whole area to the left is a private beach for the hotel. And then to the right, they have an infinity pool. This is honestly paradise. Like, wow. For dinner, my dad had a burrata salad. My mom had some gnocchi with short ribs, and I had some shrimp with pappardelle pasta. We all shared a chocolate cake, and after dinner we explored the area a little bit. The water was so beautiful at night. That is the biggest slug I've ever seen in my life. Wow. I found a frog, y'all. It is so cute. A hell of a racket for their size. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my last 4 days in Jamaica. Don't forget to like and subscribe.